We look up at the night sky, countless stars twinkle above us. It's a breathtaking sight, but it also makes us wonder, are we alone in this vast universe? Or is there life out there, somewhere among those distant stars? For centuries, humans have pondered this question. It's a question that speaks to our deepest curiosities. Are there other beings like us? Do they look up at the night sky and wonder if they too are alone? The universe is full of possibilities, and the thought of other life forms is both exhilarating and a little frightening. We are driven to explore, to understand our place in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is our attempt to listen for whispers across the vast distances of space. We are searching for signs of life, for evidence that we are not alone. The universe is a very big place. It's hard to imagine its true scale. But one thing is certain. The sheer number of stars and planets suggests that life elsewhere is possible, perhaps even probable. Our sun is just one star among billions in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way is just one galaxy among billions in the observable universe. Think about that for a moment. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. The numbers are staggering. Now consider that many of those stars likely have planets orbiting them, just like our own solar system with its 8 planets circling the sun. These planets come in all shapes and sizes. Some are gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Others are rocky worlds like Earth and Mars. Scientists estimate that there are billions of potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. That's billions of places where life could exist. Perhaps some of those planets are home to simple life forms like bacteria? But what if some of them harbor intelligent civilizations? It's a mind-boggling thought. To think that we might share this galaxy with other intelligent beings. Beings who might be far more advanced than ourselves. It's a thought that fills us with both wonder and a touch of trepidation. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation to try and estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. It's known as the Drake equation. This equation takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the percentage of those planets that could support life. While the Drake equation doesn't give us a definitive answer, it helps us understand the factors involved in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It shows us how many stars and planets might need to exist for there to be even a small chance of another civilization out there. The Drake equation is a powerful tool. It reminds us that even if the probability of life emerging on any single planet is small, the vastness of the universe means there could still be many civilizations out there. But here's the puzzle. If there are potentially billions of habitable planets in our galaxy, and life has existed on Earth for billions of years, why haven't we heard from anyone else yet? This question is known as the Fermi Paradox. One possible answer to this paradox is the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter stalking through the trees, but they are all silent. Why? Because they know that making noise could attract unwanted attention. This theory, popularized by science fiction author Cixin Liu, suggests that advanced civilizations might choose to remain silent and hidden. They do this to avoid being detected by potentially hostile civilizations. David Brin, a scientist and science fiction author, has also explored the idea of a great silence. He suggests that advanced civilizations might be deliberately hiding themselves, perhaps observing us from afar. This raises a chilling possibility. What if our own radio and television broadcasts, leaking out into space for over a century, have already announced our presence to a watchful universe? Are we the naive newcomers, shouting out into the darkness, unaware of the dangers that might lurk?